kuyacimelwa kaloku, kuyacimelwa kaloku.
A daily blessing forgive our for sins, and we forgive that I can once again, and need not to do that to my for that I didn't know my
Power.
my glory, my Eva, that I can, and I Lord, and I love, and I Lord, my Lord, let me